Give me some time to think. I'm in the bathroom looking at me. Facing the mirror is all I need.
Hey Liam, just wanted to let you know how proud I am of you and happy birthday, and hope you have a great and fun day.
My patience is waning, is this entertaining? My patience is waning, is this entertaining? I got this feeling, yeah, you know, where I'm losing all control, cause there's magic in my bones. I got this feeling in my soul, go ahead and...
Happy birthday, Liam. I am so very proud of you. I am proud to be your mom. I am excited to celebrate you today and every day, and I love you the mostest.
Feeling like a boulder hurtling, seeing all the vultures circling, burning in the flames I'm working in, turning in the bed that's darkening. My patience is waning, is this entertaining? My patience is waning, is this entertaining? I got this feeling, yeah, you know, where I'm losing all control, cause there's magic in my bones.
Happy birthday, sweet Liam, from Gigi and Papa. We sure do wish we were there with y'all for this fun party. You know, I think about when you were born, one of the names that Lorelai had picked out for you, I'm glad it didn't stick. Remember, her name for you was going to be Trash Can. We're glad you're Liam. Love you, love you, love you. Have a great day, and I can't wait to see you soon. Happy birthday and have fun. Love you. Bye.
In the air, leaving the ones that never cared, picking the pieces up and building to the sky.
Happy birthday, Liam. Both me and Reese wish you the happiest birthday ever. Turning 10, join the Double Digits Club. Well, happy birthday, and I love you. Have the greatest...
Got this feeling, yeah, you know, where I'm losing all control, cause there's magic in my bones.
Happy birthday, Liam, my favorite grandson. I'm so proud of you and all of your work, and you do a great job, and you're a caring person, and I love you so much. I hope you have a very happy 10th birthday. Hate I can't be here with you, but my thoughts are with you Saturday, and I'll be thinking about you, and I will talk to you soon. Love you so much. Bye.
Average game truck parties are a virus, but gamer versus gamer is the cure.
Happy birthday.
Gamer versus gamer.